Hello, everyone. I welcome a very renowned guest to me. He's not you, but he's not other than Umesh Kumar Kapal. He's not from India, guys. He's from Doha, Qatar. So, guys, we are having a very going to have a very wonderful conversation with Umesh. He's staying in Doha, Qatar, and the conversation is based on day-to-day life, like what we do regularly in day-to-day life. That we are going to have a conversation. But I request you guys one simple thing: do not watch the video, just please share with your friends, family, everyone, and give us feedback. How do you feel about this new series of videos I'm putting regularly? So are you enjoying? And do watch the video till end so that you can understand how to ask question and how to respond. So now welcome Umesh ji, and I give a big clap that really I thank for my visit, all my subscribers that you are here. So hello, Umeshji.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. So, without getting late, let me start. I'm going to ask you a few questions, common questions we face in a day-to-day life, and you are going to answer me. Okay, ready? All
Yes,
set?
sir. Ready.
All my
Yes.
subscribers, are you set? Please listen carefully. How to ask questions. Accordingly, you can ask questions and answer because it's going to be a practice session for you. Ready? Okay. Umeshji, so first of all, how are you?
I am good, sir. I am fine. I am excellent.
Wow, great. Lot of things you're saying. So, Umeshji, when do you get up in the morning regularly?
Sir, I wake up regularly 6 o'clock in morning.
Great, great. Do you take breakfast?
Yes, I take breakfast.
So, what do you prefer in breakfast?
Sir, every day change our breakfast. Today I ate breakfast in Puri.
Oh, you ate puri. Oh, great. Indian dish. So, Umeshji, what do you love to have in your breakfast?
Sir, I love to eat my breakfast dosa
Oh, dosa evening. I also like to eat dosa. So, when do you have your lunch?
around 6 to 6:30.
Lunch. When do you have your lunch?
Lunch. I take my lunch 11 o'clock to 11:30.
Oh, 11:30. Great. Okay. So what do you love to take in your lunch?
I have take my lunch in rice, dal, and mixed curry. Sometime chicken, sometime mutton.
Wow. So do you love to eat chicken a lot or mutton a lot?
No, I don't eat more non-vegetarian food. I eat,
Oh, so you love to eat veg foods.
yes, I lot of eat more vegetable food.
Okay. What's your favorite dish in veg?
Uh, I love mostly paneer and palak paneer.
Palak paneer. Yes. Good, good, good. And what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango and apple.
I think
And I like banana.
in your city, like I don't feel that mango is available a lot with reasonable.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
So, which fruit is generally available in your place?
Maximum people are eating apple.
Oh, here there, maximum apple. Good.
Yes. Ah,
Okay, good, good, good. And what is the time difference from India? Your city is like, what is the time difference?
2.5 hour different.
That means it is 10 minutes at your place. This is around like
12:30.
7:30. 7:30.
12:30.
Yeah, yeah, great. So like we are 2.5 hours forward and they are 2.5 hours backward. Okay. So when do you take your dinner?
I take my dinner 8:30 p.m.
8:30. So what do you love to take in your dinner?
I love to take my dinner in chapati and paneer.
Oh. Chapati paneer. Even if right, I like a lot because yeah, paneer chapati is quite matching to each other. Next question. So do you love to travel to different places?
Yes, I mostly love to traveling in different places. So
Great,
I am
great.
a traveling hog.
Oh, you are a, we can say you are a travel, like you love to travel and you visit different places, isn't it? You're a travel,
Yes.
you are a travel bug. That means people who love to travel is called as travel bug. Okay, okay. So, how many places have you visited in your city in like Qatar, in country, in that Qatar country?
Two or three city I visited in Qatar.
Okay. What is your holiday in your place? Like which day do you celebrate? Do you have holidays?
In the Qatar, Friday is holiday.
Oh, in our place it is India. Sunday is a holiday. So in your place it is Friday is a holiday.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Friday.
Okay, nice day. Yeah. Good. So it is not matching actually, but it is. I think it is asked for Arabian. All the countries also observe this Friday as a holiday. Almost all the Arabian countries. But
No,
this.
sir. More Muslim people is reading namaz in Friday. So they are doing holiday in Friday.
Yes, yes, yes. Mostly the people read Namaz in that. They yes, for that reason that is a holiday. We are like is a holiday in our place. But it is good, good, good. And coming to the next question,
Okay, sir.
like do you love to cook?
Yes, I love to cook.
Which dish do you love to cook?
I love to cook beans.
Good, good, very nice, very nice. Coming to another question, like nowadays, like as you joined and you started improving yourself, and how a candidate can improve his or her English speaking ability? How? Like, what is the best method they opt so that they can improve their English speaking ability?
Whenever one person think how to speak English, that time he know how to think in English in his mind. That is more important. You can able to think in English, you automatically speak in. You can speak able to speak English properly.
Good, 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 good. You got a very nice point that you told, ki, sir, whenever you started thinking in English, then your speaking process will be very smooth and you will speak fluently. Coming to another common questions, do you love to watch movies?
Yes, I love watch movies.
So, who is your favorite actor?
Babusan is my favorite actor.
Oh, Odia. So, don't you love to watch Bollywood movies?
I love to Bollywood movie, but I more watch Tollywood movie.
Tollywood movie?
Ah,
Tollywood. Good, good, good. Okay. So, who is your favorite actor in our Bollywood industry?
Hrithik Roshan.
Okay. And in Hollywood, who is your favorite actress?
Jhilik Bhattacharya is my favorite actress in Hollywood movie.
Great. So, who is your ideal person? Like, whom do you follow?
My ideal person is my father.
Great, 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 great. But really, it was a very healthy conversation. And as you suggested also to all the listeners or viewers that if you want to improve your English speaking ability, you need to think in English. Because thinking English and speaking English will go hand in hand and you can improve a lot. This was a very wonderful point you have pointed out. But I say thank you, Umesh. You got a very wonderful time with us. And
Thank you, sir.
yes, we are going to post the video in YouTube. And I request all my subscribers, please give your valuable suggestions and how do you feel about the video. Any improvement would you like to do so that I'll bring few more people and accordingly we can improve. And I say thank you to all of the viewers also. They watch the video till end. And special thanks to Umeshji because Umeshji did his night duty. Still, he is with us right now. I feel very grateful and thankful that you are here. So, Ms. D, thanks a lot. With this, I'd like to end the session. Plus, all the viewers, please subscribe our channel. Yeah, tell, sir.
Sir, before 1 month or 2 months ago, I could not speak English properly. But now, after I join in English Mania, after I can able to speak in English properly, properly no, but I can speak English right now because English man is a very special opportunity given to me. Deliver conversation and grammatical mistake, some issues in English, in English man is given to me. That's why.
Thank you, Umesh, for your so kind of words. Yes, you started improving. I can find the day you find hands really you were started improving and you are doing really improving and you are doing better. I can't say you are doing best. Obviously, you are improving day by day. And the day is not far that you will be again overcoming the lacuna, whatever you have. So thank you, Umesh, having trust on me and trust on English medium. So
Thank you,
all the viewers, keep smiling, keep watching our video, and keep commenting with us. Bye bye, and thank you, Umesh.